Hello, my dear friends! Привет! Я Irina. So today we are going to go on, and my congratulations, you have already learned some words you can read and write in Russian, so we can move on. First, let's start with a little revision of what we have already learned. So the first is дом, мода, два, дым, тонна, бомба, луна, батут. Okay, so now let's have a closer look at the Russian words, Russian nouns. All of them have genders. It doesn't matter if it is animate or inanimate object, so all the words have some gender. So, for example, let's look at this. So, он is he, она is she, оно is it. Он is masculine gender. In this column we have дом, Антон, банан, батут, дым. All of these words are masculine gender. They don't have a vowel at the end. They have zero ending, so they are masculine. Она, the second column. Она. All of these words have a or ya at the end. They are feminine gender. So, она, Анна, мама, бомба, мода, вода. The third column. Оно. Оно is neuter, also doesn't depend on if it is animate or inanimate. Олова is tin and пола. All of them have endings or ye. So let's try to construct some short sentences. Это дом is a positive sentence. Это дом is a question. This is a house, or is it a house? In Russian we don't have a special structure for questions. That's why we should use the correct question intonation. So once again, это дом, or это дом, you ask. Да, это он. Yes, it is. Это дом. Next is это мама. This is a mother. Это мама is a positive sentence. Это мама is a question. Is it a mother? Да, это она. Yes, it's her. Да, это она. Это мама. Now let's talk about neuter. Also positive and questions. Это олово. It's tin. Это олово. Is it tin? Да, это оно. Это олово. One more example. Это Анна. Is it Anne? Да, это она. Да, это Анна. Yes, it is Anne. Она дома. Дома is at home. Is she at home? Она дома. Да, она дома. Антон дома. Да, он дома. Антон дома. Банан там. Там is there. Is banana there? Банан там. Да, он там. Там банан. And the last one is about water. Вода тут. Is water here? Вода тут. Да, она тут. Вода is feminine gender, so we use она. Да, вода, тут. Да, она, тут. Now you are familiar with the structure of Russian positive sentences and questions. I think that's all for today. So your homework is make please sentences, positive, both positive and questions, and write in the comments down. Okay? See you. Пока!